Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool Western Electric Princess Desk telephone. It's a rotary model. And this is Doug's equipment from Arkansas, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool telephone. Doug's got a note with this unit, and he's talking about there is no transmit and the bell does not ring. So we have troubleshooted a little bit, and we do know that the transmitter, the T1, is working, but it's very noisy. But there is no transmit. And that problem is coming from the network. We're going to replace the T1 transmitter with an electronic amplified transmitter that we design and build here at the shop, and you will have plenty of transmit power. So we're going to take care of that issue. We also have troubleshooted the bell a little bit, and we know that the bell needs to be repaired and the bell circuit needs to be reconfigured. So we're going to take care of that issue. We also know that the modular line port at the back of the unit is in bad condition. It's got some chipping and cracking going on because the material is a lot older now and it's brittle. So we're going to go ahead and replace the modular line port for the line cord. So we'll take care of that issue. We also want to go through the rotary dial. We want to make sure that we clean, oil, and adjust the rotary dial. We want to go through the network and make sure that all of our connections are proper and that they're tight. We will be troubleshooting the entire telephone and repairing any kind of issues that we find while this telephone is in the shop. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We want to get a start on this unit. We'll go ahead and take some still pictures of this really cool Western Electric Princess Desk telephone, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting, converting, and repairing process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we're finished up with the repairing and converting of this really cool Princess telephone, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, I also want to mention our amplified pickup. We use this pickup in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkouts. It's amplified so that you can hear the audio from a receiver. And I have an amplifier backed by the video. It has a button on it. When I press the button, I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. And since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere. I'm going to go ahead and press the button. You may hear a little bit of an electrical hum. I'll release it. Press it one more time. And release it. So if you hear any noise during the final checkout, it will be coming from the amplifier and not the telephone. Now what we want to do is go ahead and use the analyzer and send a ring cycle like you were getting a call. So we'll start that. We're going to let that go a few times. I'm going to let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. Now what we want to do is walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. Every time you see that red light light up, that is an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. Now I'm pretty far back away from this handset, and you can see that it's still recognizing my transmit. So you will have plenty of transmit power with this electronic amplified transmitter. Go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this unit is ringing in on a ring cycle, we're dialing out. We have transmit and receive. We can go ahead and press this button on the switch box. That'll give us a line out, totally take the analyzer out of the situation, and we'll call a time and temp number. Go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we can make that call.
The time and temperature is coming up after this. To hear the time and temperature, just stay on the line. Today is Saturday, May 21st. The current time, 3:10 p.m. and the temperature, 52 degrees.
We can go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this really cool Western Electric Princess Desk telephone has been repaired and converted, we can return this unit back to Doug and he can enjoy this telephone once again. I'm sure it's going to look great wherever this unit is used. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.